What am I doing? Oh yeah, this thing. I'd like to thank KJ Palmer for this. Oh, shoot fire. Hold on, I forgot. We have way too much volume going. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what we shall see. There we go. Oh, that's low. Happy birthday to my beautiful wife. Sorry, just getting a few things set here. Happy birthday, precious. We all love you. Let me shut my door over here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. I think we're live. Okay. All right. Now let's pause this for a second. Morning, peeps. We're going to do this. We're going to go over here. We're going to go over to this one. Oh boy. I wonder if we lost the, the feed already. I swear. Restream makes it so hard. Wow. Hope you guys still there on TikTok. Let's see if they even have my content. Not yet, no. Good morning, Michelle. What's up, Michelle Glow? Okay. Oh, maybe not okay. Yeah, I can run Restream, but I can't look at Restream. Kind of funny. All right, we're almost there. All right. Now we're up and running. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason it was free life. It was free. My hope it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She set me free. Now the world will witness me. Yeah, precious. I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what, I won't leave. Who we love, precious, with all his heart. They're born and strong, like a work of art. Together they shine like stars on heart. Their love will never die. Hope everybody says happy birthday to my beautiful, loving, sweet, kind, sexiest woman alive, most beautiful woman alive. Without her, you guys would have none of this, by the way. None of you would have any of this without Bree. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be doing this. She answers nearly every one of your emails. Without Bree, none of you would be here. I wouldn't be doing this. I'm repeating it because I'm telling you right now, without Bree, you would have nothing. There would be no system. I'd be trading by myself. I'd be trading alone. Well, family would be trading with me, but that would be it. I would never have answered all of your emails. I would never deal with all of your silliness ever. Bree handles, I do the trading, I handle all that part. She handles all the emails of filling your orders. So everyone should be given a huge thank you to Bree. Huge thank you to Bree, because without her love and support of me, I would have never made the system. Without her help doing all the stuff I hate to do, which is answering emails and doing all that shit, this system would have never been, ever. So please understand, without Precious, without my beautiful baby bops, baby, none of this would have been possible. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Smith. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Thank you all for those birthday wishes, by the way, I just saw. Thanks for coming on this morning. Looking for another green day. Patience is our reward. Amen. Happy birthday, Bree. Oh, thanks, Mr. Gold. Stacy. Thank you, Stacy. Good morning, Brexit. Ace Bullet. Michelle Glowinski. So, sevens, if you guys understand that without Bree, there would literally be none of this for y'all to be having. Literally. Not only did she support me through my lowest times when I couldn't get anything done, couldn't make any money, couldn't make a right trade, she still believed me and said, I got this. She would say, I have AI by the balls, sorry. Yep. And then we'd laugh about it, and then she'd still I would be working at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, running on 2 hours sleep, an hour of sleep, 3 hours of sleep, and she was always there. What's up, Larry Cooper? What's up, Tarai Edwards? It was awesome having her. I know it was. I know. I wish you'd come back on. Thank you, Sam K. Thank you, George GB. Thank you, CV. Thank you, LT. And Persistent. And Larry Cooper. Thanks, Larry. Mr. Golds, I feel that and understand that. Yeah. Well, the part about supporting me when no one else was supporting is that part of the song right here is 100% true. Literally 100% true. Yep. 100 billion% true. My own parents gave up on me. My mom gave up. My brother gave up on me. My sister. Everybody in my family said, you'll never figure it out. It's impossible. It's too hard. You can't figure out trading. You can't figure out how to do it. No one else has ever done it. How would you do it? And my wife said, nope, you got this. I've never seen somebody work so hard on something. I know you'll succeed. I believe in you. And I kept going. What's up, Mo? Thank you. What's up, Orlando Walters? So without Bree's belief in me, the system would have never been created. Once it was created, I'm not going to deal with all of you. I mean, I care about you all. I want you all to succeed. I'm doing everything I can to help you. But to think that I'm going to answer every one of your emails? Oh, no, not doing it. Fulfill orders? Not doing it. So without Bree, we wouldn't have created the system. I wouldn't have created a system. Without Bree, I would have never opened it to the public. I would have kept it to myself and my family. She's a very, very good and very, very kind soul. She's a good one. She's unbelievably good. So God couldn't have blessed me with a better wife. Okay. So if you want to wish her happy birthday throughout the show, feel free. I'll flash this back up here every now and then. We will have a nice show this morning. I don't know if there was news, and I don't care. I do want to do one thing right here. I hope you guys can hear this a little. You see me shining today, but it wasn't always like that. Take my hand and walk with me. Let me take you on a journey, living in the land of dreams. Started to turn into a nightmare, couldn't keep up. Bills working day and night, gym bills coming, that's for money, blood suckers, show no mercy. Do you know the feeling of no hope? World weight, Christian down on your shoulders, family gone, friends gone, hope gone, hope gone. Oh, friends? I used to own 3 gyms. I had hundreds of people that claimed to be my friends. When I went bankrupt 3 years after becoming a millionaire, self-made millionaire, my family was poor growing up, or way low middle class. It was poor. We were the poorest people, I grew up in a house less than 1,200 square feet, by the way, just so we're clear. I have rooms bigger than that. But anywho, yeah, I couldn't imagine going from having hundreds of friends to, I think, maybe Chris Smith, and maybe one other. I don't even know. Because all your friends, when you're successful and people can get stuff from you, they're all your friends. When you're not successful and they can't get anything from you, you don't hear from them again. Yeah. So that's what this part of the song is about. One never leave was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason, it was free life. It was free, my hope, it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She set me free, now the world will witness me. Precious, I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what, I won't leave. Who we love, precious with all his heart. They were born and strong, like a work of art. Together they shine like stars so hard. Their love will never die. So anywho, yeah. Next time you guys think, oh, it's only Kevin's system and this and that. First of all, it's God's. Second of all, it's Bree and I's. And third of all, oh, I give thanks to both of them. Every breath I'm awake, every time I wake up next to my wife, there's all kinds of problems. If I told you all the shit that was going on right now, you'd have a heart attack. But it's life. Good, bad, indifferent. Whatever happens, it happens. It's life. At least I get to go through with the most beautiful woman in the world. Got to lower these things down or we'll have alerts waking her ass up. And she doesn't like to be up in the mornings. Let me tell you that. No. Oh, good. What's up, Jamie Rojo? Jamie Rojo, how long have you been with me? Jamie. Brexit, how long have you been with me? You guys have been with me longer than a year, haven't you? Jamie, I think you've been with me for like 4 fucking years. Good morning, TikTokers, YouTubers, Twitters, and Twitches, and Facebooks, and Xers. Good morning, everybody that's out there. I think we're about, oh yeah, oh shit. How many YouTube? Oh, come on. Can you give a thumbs up for my beautiful wife's birthday on YouTube? Do I really have to ask? Yeah, I'm going to have to ask. Litecoin? What the hell is Litecoin doing? Figures I just had to sell some Litecoin. Fuck. Let's take a look, shall we? Litecoin's been farting around. Litecoin needs to take the fuck off. I'm a little annoyed with Litecoin. It's a longer term type trade, but still. 3 months. Oh, yeah. Monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. Litecoin is down here. Fuck. Hell no. Litecoin, $133. My favorite take profit of $156. Then Litecoin will go over $200, $300, $400. That's Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
My wife is Annie. Oh, you go, Brexit. You got a great wife, too. Arise. Sir Brexit. I think he changed his name once. You are now a safety trade system knight of the round table, protector of YouTube. If you refresh yourself, you'll see a little blue thing next to you. Jamie Rojo, 3 years. I knew it. My God, you people, why don't y'all speak up? Arise, Jamie Rojo, Sir Jamie Rojo, knight and protector of the YouTube roundtable of the safety trade system. What's up, fellas? You guys are both now moderators. You have the blue little thing next to your names. If there's anyone else that's been here over a year, please speak up. Aw, see, yes, I do. She is a gem. There you go. See, Brexit? It's something to have a good woman behind you, and it's totally the opposite when you don't marry a good woman. Been on both sides of that one. It's just utterly amazing when you have a woman that is a good person, a good soul, riding along with you. Maybe we can get Precious to come on back onto the show one day. I'll ask her. Maybe she'll come on. There's just no way Bree's getting up early in the morning to do a show. There's just no fucking way. But will she come on? Yeah. With all her heart. Pooby loves Precious. With all his heart. Good morning, 8 Ball. I haven't seen you in a minute, 8 Ball. Good morning, 8 Ball. CV, been here since the summer of 2020. You have. CV, have you been a member? How long have you been a member, CV? Oh, fuck it. I'll give it to him. Arise, Sir CV, protector and knight of the safety trade system. You now have a little wrench by your name, CV. We'll have to start giving out YouTube awards again. Can I get some more thumbs up on YouTube, please? I'd really like to stay on YouTube for my wife's birthday. Oh, what's up, peeps? If anyone else has been here over a year, a member over a year, let me know. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Because I want everyone here to know If you look around and see someone with a blue wrench, those people have been with me for longer than a year, most 2 and 3 years. That should tell you something. About a year and a half. Oh, okay. We're cool, CV. Awesome. I gave it to you anyway, CV. Congratulations. Most people laugh at that, but I think it's something. It's a little something. All right. On the right, you clearly see Litecoin monthly. On the left is also Litecoin monthly. I don't know what the fuck that thing is on the left. I couldn't trade that if you paid me $1 million. On the right, however, you can clearly see this is the green, red thing, right? So this is going to be the green up. You can clearly see the middle of the W. My system is made, look at this. This is your M in the middle. This will be your up like that. Litecoin will eventually go up. I don't know when. I don't know how. I don't know how the Little Mermaid sings these songs, but it will. 2 years just renewed 2 days ago. Self, nice. Good morning, Jake. Good morning. Andre Gaines. Oh, yeah, I still give out these. Yeah, Jake makes those acrylic things. Thumbs up, everyone. LT says 3 years. Yep, there you go. Those things are awesome. Yeah, they are awesome. I got to be very picky in who I give those out to. I was a little annoyed. Some of the people I thought were loyal ended up not sticking with the system. So I'm going to be a lot more picky who gets those. A lot more picky. If you get one of those, you have to be one of the cream of the crop. So I'll have to look into that again and get Jake. I don't know if we still have some left. I think we do. Jake from Blue Tide Acrylics makes those for us. Thank you, Jake, very, very much. Today's my wife's birthday. Anybody want to say happy birthday on the Discord or during this live on YouTube? You know, whatever you guys want to do, boy, that would be much appreciated. I doubt, well, she might rewatch the show a little bit. 3 years, says the Griffey. Griffey, are you a moderator? Friends. How do I make the Griffey member? Where the heck is the Griffey at? So how do I do that? Hold on 1 second. I'm on TikTok. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Joe Bigas, Stacy the Griffey, Aussie Trader, Michelle Glowinski, D Brokers, Larry Cooper. Welcome to the channel. Sparza, Saw, good morning. Vera Delaney, good morning. User 6240, good morning. Wall Street Leader, welcome to the channel. User 7 Online, welcome to the channel. And CG and Raw. Derek Kerr and Leland Robinson, all welcome to the channel on TikTok. You can go over to YouTube. You'll be able to see things better, but you hear it quicker on TikTok. Thank you, Jake. I sure will. Peter Pan. Yeah, so weird. Yeah, I'm going to absolutely be way more selective on that. All right, Litecoin buy stop 1 month. It's going to take a minute, but it's going back to 160 period. It will. We don't have a lot of time this morning. About 45 minutes left. Let's see what's going on. G, the red lines. The red lines right here on ES1 is when I called out the buy stop for ES1. 1 hour buy stop yesterday morning here and here. I'm calling for another 1 hour buy stop, all indices, by the way. Here, here, and here. And also I did it over here, just so we're clear. So I called and made you over 600 pips yesterday. I called the buy stops before market open, right at market open. I told you and sent out an email. Let's be clear on this. Live yesterday, I called out NAS and NQ to go up for 1 hour. They did before your eyes live yesterday. Then I sent out an email saying that they hit their take profits. Look for SPX and ES1. ES1 and SPX went up and hit their take profits. I sent out an email after the ES1, SPX, and NQ and NAS, and then I called out US30 and YM to go up. As it was down here, I was calling, telling you by email that US30 and YM1 were going to go up. As it was down here at the lowest point, you would have made over 600 pips from my calls yesterday. That's a lot of fucking money for those of you who don't understand what a pip is. And who here received the email? 9-minute buy stop, NAS price is slow today. God bless system. Who here received the email? Sevens or yeses if you received your email stating that the NQ and NAS were hit take profits, that SPX, ES1's hit were take profit, and then I was calling out US30 and YM1. Who here received an email? Go ahead. I'm waiting. Ace Bullet, Ellie, Aussie Trader, okay. Who here received the email? Nope, not going forward. Nope, Sam, there you go. I know, no, we can't hear one of her songs because I erased it on these two. She's got to redo it for me, I know. No, do not send me an email about that, Sam K. Do not effing send me an email about that. It's the worst thing you can do. Andre Gaines, yes. GB, yes. 777. Okay. So everyone out there received, if you haven't received an email or you're having problems, come over to the store right here. Sign up for both of these emails and it will come to you. Okay? Fletch says, I did, sir. Okay. Sam says, okay, good. So go back over to the safetytrade.com and then come over here and sign up for the email. Both emails sign up for. If you did not receive the signal emails that I sent out, sign up for both of these. I don't know which one does the signals and which one does the regular email, but if you sign up for both, you will absolutely have to receive your emails. They're probably going to your junk email or whatever if you're not receiving them. But sign up for both services, both, and you'll receive my signal email for sure because one of them does the signals and one of them does my lives. I don't remember which one. So just sign up for both. Okay. Sam's okay. Sam K says, okay, got it. There you go. All right. So if you need to, safetytrade.com, come over here, go to the emails, get my email alert, sign up for both. Boop, boop. Even if you have signed up and you're not sure and you might sign up again. We have unlimited. I don't care. We have 1,500 email people now. It's grown exponentially. It's going really good. It's amazing, actually. So, yeah, there's that. 1 hour buy stop, all 6 indices. Same as yesterday. You made 600 pips on them. We need one of them to fall hard. We need something probably, I don't know which one. Let's go with NAS. Let's hope we see NAS do this before market open, then hook. Just like it did yesterday over here for US 30. So let's hope we get that on one of them. Yep. You still have time for US 31 done buy stops to their words. Yep, Stealth, that is correct. 8 ball, 917. Yep. Yeah, Stealth. I literally called it when US 30 was still down about here. I called it for you down here, but I was calling it the whole time on the live as it was dropping. So just take your buy. Just take your buy. Remember, look. I don't know if this is still here. Look. Not only did I tell you what it was going to do yesterday. Happy birthday, Precious. There we go. I drew this out. I drew out pink crossing blue. Remember? Who was here yesterday remembers this. I drew out the trades hours before they happened. I told you that this was going to come up. Told you. Who here remembers? Who here remembers? I drew it out for you. Told you it was going to happen before it happened. Drew it out. Showed you. Told you the gap was going to be filled. I drew up the green lines. I drew the yellow lines. I drew price action going out. I drew the pink line crossing the blue, then the blue coming up afters. Who remembers me drawing this out? Who remembers me drawing this out? Hello? Just don't sit there like a bump on the log. Yes, you remember me drawing this out. Thank God you remember. What other trader on earth tells you what's going to happen for free, actually makes a correct call for free, does it most mornings when I'm not on vacation for free? What other trader gives you signal after signal after signal for free, tells you what's going to happen hours, if not days, in the case of Litecoin, months before it happens, for free? What other trader gives you everything for free every fucking day for free? There is no other trader doing this. None. No other trader is drawing out what's going to happen because they don't have a fucking clue what's going to happen in the market. Pink crossed the blue. Pink came up first. Then the thing. I drew this out to perfection, not just on ES1, not just on SPX, not just on NQ, not just on NAS, but also US30 and YM1. On 6 different symbols, I drew out exactly what was going to happen hours before it happened, and it happened exactly like I drew out. Is that incredible? Andre says no other. Correct. Is that not incredible? Are you not witnessing history before your very eyes? Who else calls trades like this? I honest to God believe George Soros, who made his billions upon billions trading, which I can't wait to get to that level. Oh, God, I can't wait. He was doing fractionalized trading. He doesn't know what the fuck this was doing. What's his name from, oh my God, Omaha. Oh my God, I have a brain fart. He knows nothing how to trade. He just knows companies that they go up over time. It's not a genius. Everyone says the Oracle of Omaha. Give me a fucking break. It's the easiest shit to do when the stock market's gone up nonstop for the last 50 fucking years. Who the fuck can't be right? A fucking blind monkey could be right. Remember, a matter of fact, I saw fucking shows and stuff where monkeys picked out things and they were better than the. It's the easiest thing on earth to be right long term because everything goes the fuck up. Let's see Warren Buffett be correct. It was Warren Buffett, right? Let's see Warren Buffett be correct with a 1 second trade or a 10-second trade. Let's see Jim Cramer be correct with. See Jim Cramer be correct at all in his life, but let's see Jim Cramer be correct in a 1 minute trade or a 1 hour trade. They don't know their asses from the hole in the ground. I'm still waiting because Cramer has got a huge personality. I think there's people out there to do the exact opposite of his trades, so it's kind of funny to me that they would do that. But really, he's not right often. I don't know why he doesn't reach out to me and say, hey, Kev, or all these other YouTubers that think there's something that trade and get lucky here or there. None of them are doing this. None of them are doing this on a live daily basis. Bull fucking shit. Sending out email after email, being correct after correct after correct. And by the way, I'm telling you again, it's a 1 hour buy stop today. Whether it happens now, today, then I don't give a fuck because I don't want to hear some fucking Jack Pine like the last idiot that was here. You were 100% wrong. And I ended up making like 3,000 pips on the trade. Good call, numbnutter. For real, though, you guys have to take a breath. Step back. Tell your family and friends. Tell everybody you know about the system because this system is the most incredible thing. There's no one drawing out trades, telling you where it's going to go because they don't know. They don't understand how to do it. They don't know how to don't trade on Fridays is a trap day. Anyone remember those? Don't trade. I was part of a group. PIP, I won't say the last part of their little name. Don't trade on Mondays, trap day. Don't trade on Sundays, trap day. Don't trade on Fridays, trap day. Don't trade news. Don't trade any day that there's news. Really be careful because you don't even know if Wednesday's not a trap day. Don't trade. What the fuck days are you supposed to trade? It's called scared trading. They're trading out of the beta brainwaves. They're scared traders because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. Oh, don't trade the open. Don't trade right before the open. Don't trade after the open. That's what they used to say. What the fuck? Now I can look back at it and go, what the hell was I a part of? What kind of group tells you not to trade all those days? But that's what they were doing. The fuck they were doing. Every one of these has the same exact setup. Every one of these, look, right here. This is what I was calling. I told you as the pink and blue were I even told you which order they were going to come out in, by the way. NQ, NAS, SPX, ES1, then US30. I even said that yesterday. That's more my skill level than the system itself, but yeah. There you go. Every one of these is the same pattern. It's called the high probability setup. I didn't come up with that. ChatGPT did, and there it is, and it's also over here too. Every one of those, high probability. Pink cross the blue, the sniper, the most important. And if you're having trouble, the sniper tells you when to get in, tells you when not to get in, most importantly, and tells you when to take profit and tells you where to put your stop loss. Yeah, the sniper alone you can trade with. The sniper is exceptional. Look to the left, right? Good morning, Kevin. Happy birthday to Bree. September birthdays are the best. -5. Oh, nice. Happy birthday, Kirk. Thank you for the birthday wish from my wife. Happy birthday, everybody. Oh, it's your birthday. Say, it's your birthday. There you go. Pink cross, boom. Pink cross the blue. Pink cross the blue. Pink cross the blue. Pink cross the blue. Fill in the gap. I drew out everything that looks just like this. I think it's the coolest thing since sliced bread. I don't even know how you guys can't be. Look, told you. US30 just happened to dip down and make a buy stop. Buy stop, 1 hour, all indices, ES1, SPX, NQ1, NS1, US30, and YM1.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Morning
advisor.
Maximotor. Inverted hammer, I know. How stupid are those things? Look to the left, inverted hammer. Or you can have the 100% surety. You damn well know all of these were going to go up. As I said, as I send out an email, every fucking one of them. Every one of them did the exact same thing as I called, as the system called. I just can't stress enough that I drew this out hours before it happened and you saw it. I give God all the glory. I give Jesus all the praise. I do not take any of it. I'm but a humble. I could not have invented this without God, period. I'm not that smart. I just kept praying. I kept working at it. I put in hour after hour after hour. And now look, you can literally see trades before they happen with near 100% accuracy. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's be honest here. Did any of you lose money on any of these trades, demo money only? Did any of you lose
Demo
money
trade only.
yesterday?
I am not a financial advisor.
Did any of you lose money? Because some of you might have lost money, and I want to see who lost money so that I could, help them. Did any new people that are watching, any of my little secret admirers out there that are watching, did anyone lose money? No, made over 6 cases. Larry. Good, Larry. No, says Sam K. Andrew Ferrer, amen. No, sir, says John Parker. Okay. Because if some of you lost money, I want you to speak up so that I can help you not to lose money on a trade like that. 39 thumbs up. I guess I'll stay on only because it's my wife's birthday. All green, says Andrew. Nope, says Try Edwards. I lost money because I didn't get in the NAS trade. Well, okay, you can't lose out on money. Persistent. It's my time, 999. Okay, so all right, so that's good because I know some people struggle. Oh, how do you make money with I can't make money with your system. I'm giving out, let me be clear here. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. I am not a financial advisor. Okay. But I give out Hey, Tank Dog. What's up, Tank Dog? I give out these free calls every day. Now there's 61, 80. There's about 120 people watching on different platforms, my show right now. If anyone here out of the 100, 120 people has not bought my system yet, please speak up. If anyone here has not bought my system yet, please speak up. I'm not going to rip on you. I'm going to be nice and kind, blah, blah, blah. I just want to know how many of you have not bought the system. Please speak up. I'm still struggling, so I'm always happy to learn, never give up. Oh, okay, cool. Honest assessment, Tank Dog. Now, Tank Dog, speaking to you directly, sir, when you hear me give out a signal and I say it's free money. For instance, when I called yesterday, the live happened with NQ and NAS and then SPX, and I said look for SPX and ES1 to go up next. And I say it's a free money giveaway on that. That's your secret code word to listen to me to take the trade. Okay? Secret reminders left are just buy the system, learn the system. Could take 1 week or 1 year to learn, but it's worth it. Amen. What's up, BF? Good morning, BF. Welcome to the channel. Not a buyer yet, says Matt. Oh, I thought you already were, Maxim. Isn't correct. Correct, Martin Lewis. People's mindsets aren't correct because they're in beta wave. They're trading from scared trading. They've been burnt their whole lives. They've heard this bullshit before from other. Oh, I can trade. They've watched some young ass shit kid from parents' money fly in on a helicopter. I swear to God, I saw this once. Fly in a helicopter with a briefcase and a little suit on, pretending like he knows how to trade. I got suckered into that. We all get suckered into that. So when they come across this Maxim and BF, yeah, when I say free money giveaway, let me be clear on this. It's your birthday. Da-da-da, it's your birthday. You know, it's your birthday. Okay. That really is my secret word that I use. I used to use it strictly for family. I told them that, you know, if you ever hear me say free money, to take that trade, demo trade only. Okay. But fuck it. Some of you figured it out anyways. So when I'm saying free money trades, that's when they're giving us, that's when it's usually NAS, NQ, maybe US 30 are all doing it already, especially on the faster time frames. And then SPX and ES1 were lagging, or like yesterday, US 30 and YM were lagging. It's free money. When I tell you it's free money, take that demo trade. Yeah, this is fun for today. Planned. We went on the cruise for her birthday. We just planned another cruise actually for her birthday. We're gonna go see somebody in concert, meet and greet somebody coming up here in a couple days. We're meeting and greeting a singer that she really likes and I really like. So it's a meet and greet for her. And then today we're having a small family birthday celebration at a restaurant, and we're gonna do that today. And of course, I give her out massages every day and all that good stuff. She has a very, I think she would tell you the same thing, an extremely good life. I take care of my beautiful wife as much as she takes care of me. Thank you for asking that, Andrew. As long as you give the signal, I can find it and see it, but I'm struggling to do it on my own. Oh, I hear what you're saying, Tank Dog. Been on military orders the last 2 weeks and now helping my stepfather with his business. So I've been a little out. Oh, I'm glad you're back, Andrew. I hope you're doing okay with the military and your stepfather. Okay, Tank Dog, can you give me a specific? This is great. I'm glad Tank Dog's speaking up. Thank you, Tank Dog. Can you give me a specific? If it was yesterday, I don't know how to. Well, we'll try. Can you give me a specific time and the 2 time periods you're using and your symbol that you were trading? Example, when you lost, Tank Dog. If you have about to buy it now, I was skeptical at first, but a true believer now. Only regret is it took me so long to find Kevin. Amen to that, George. Amen. Yeah, but Tank Dog or anyone out there, if you've ever been caught in a trade, you know, even one of my trades or not one of my trades, if you can give me the Forex time, which is Athens. So for instance, on this one right here would be September the 22nd, 2025 at 12 Forex time on NAS. And then that way I can look at that trade that you got wrong and we can analyze it for you. I still have time. Oh, shoot. I don't think I have my alarm set. Hold on. You know, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to my precious. Say, to my precious. Oh, that's actually kind of funny. Precious's birthday. It's your birthday. Precious, no, sir, not right at the moment. I am at work, so I must. Oh, okay. Oh, no worries, Tank Dog. I thought maybe you could. We can get another time. Bought system 3 years, but was not in the right mindset to grasp, let alone make money. I didn't put the time and effort. Amen, Cody. Cody, you've been here 3 years? Cody! Well, don't worry, Cody. Now that you've been knighted, arise, Sir Cody Scheffler, protector and knight of the Safety Trade YouTube Roundtable. Cody, if you refresh yourself, you'll see a little blue wrench by your name. Yay. Yeah, it takes time. If you're not, I don't know how to word it. You have to get your mindset correct, though. In my opinion, you have to go from beta state to alpha state. You just have to. And once you do that, yeah, then things start to click a little bit better for you. A bigger account? I don't know, Tank Dog. I would think, and this is where the problem comes in. If you trade US 30, you need a motherfucking big account. I mean big. I wouldn't even probably touch US 30. I don't even mean big, huge. I just mean I wouldn't touch US 30 doing 0.01 lot sizes unless I had over a couple grand, period. Now, NAS, I would say 3,000 to 5,000 for US 30, 1,000 to 2,000 for NAS to trade at least semi-comfortably, and I'd probably say 2,000 to 3,000 for NAS. On SPX, I would think you can trade SPX with an account size of $500 to $1,000 or less. I've done less. I've done 300 account size, but the average person, I would say $300 to $500 for SPX. But the problem comes in, like yesterday, you have to wait for NAS to do its thing. You have to wait for NQ1 to do its thing. Then you can go to ES1s and SPXs. So you have to be super patient to trade that. So many people have the wrong value account size. I've said it, it's in the rules. You're not to have a large account size. If you're trading a 0.01, I mean, really, to be comfortable with US 30 without sweating any bullets, you're either going to have to switch to options, like Nadex options, binary options, or just options in general. I use public or whatever. Or you're going to have a $3,000 to $5,000 account size, in my opinion. That's just off. Now, gold, you can have a very small account size. You can trade gold with, I would say, 500 to 1,000 easy. But yeah, if you're trying to trade anything but 0.01 on US 30, good luck. You're going to have your ass handed to you 9 times out of 10 because you can't eat it. Even though I'm calling it and that's going to go up and this is the hour and it's a buy stop, yeah, you might still have had a 50, 60, 70, 80. Can you imagine 100 pips with a 0.01 lot size is only $100? But if it's a 1.0, you're looking at a $10,000. There's no way you can trade it at that 1.0 lot size. Can't do it. I have gotten better system years, but I really need a bigger account. I understand the rules, but I do believe it's something simple that I am missing. They've not made the connection to just yet. I hope you figure it out, Tank Dog. Let me know any way I can help. And this system was the real deal because I traded your live 1 hour and 4 hour calls. But when I bought the system, it took me a year to learn how to get near perfect entry. But the system is flawless. Nice, CV. Yay. So good to hear. You're welcome. I like NAS, but I've traded SPX and made money, but it's only $1 to $10 hit or miss. See, Tank God, that's what you got to do. Keep trading NAS until you get good, and I mean good, like 90 out of 100 trades correct good. That's what I would do. I demo traded your calls for 7 months before I ever had the money to buy. So there you go. That's all. And that's what my view to everyone out there is this. Demo trade the heck out of my calls, but then you don't want bad karma. For all of those out there, when I make these correct calls after correct calls for you guys over and over and over again, right? So demo trade until you get enough That's all I ask. If you don't, I'm serious, you'll get bad karma, and what goes around comes around, I'm telling you. Okay? I don't want to scare anybody, but I'm just saying I would absolutely listen to my calls, listen to the free money calls I make, and then when you can you look at BMNR? J Dutta, I have a friend stuck at a long-term trade at UPST, Upstart holding it in around $200, around $65. Can you kindly take a look, please? Yes, Jay. Jay, how long have you been with me, J Dutta? You still have 1v1s. I put the 1v1s back on the website, but I'm not kidding. It's $1,000, and I will not see anyone for less than $1,000 one-on-one. I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it anymore. I will do it if I have to, but I'm not doing it. That's why it's priced at that. And there'll still be people taking that. I swear to God they will. I just don't want to do it anymore. I will look at BMNR. I will look at UPST. Let me look at UPST right now since it was asked first. It's a work of art. UP. PST. Upstart Holding. Let's take a look at it for them. Okay, let's go all the way down here and see what's up. 1 minute Upstart Holding. Not good on that one. Let's see. 5 sell. 5 minute sell. Sell 5 minute. 15 minutes sell to $64.38. 1 hour. That's better. 4 hour. Ooh, that's bad. Ooh. Where's that going to? Oh, shit. Ooh. Yeah. Sell stop to the 2 hour blue line, $63.24. Sell stop to the 4 hour blue line, $57.60. Sell stop. Yeah, I'm going to stick with that. Now, it gets better for him, though, if he's going to survive that push down. 12 hour daily. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, you guys could have got in right here, though, at $50. Yeah, that looked like a nice entry. Okay, yes. He has a daily, weekly buy stop. Ooh, that's bad. Let's see what my call out was back here. Hold on. 12.19, demo only, 3 week monthly sell stop, 15 minute sell stop. So on 12.19, I called a 3 week. Why would he buy that if I called a oh, he must not have been following me. 3 week monthly sell stop. 3 week, what was I seeing back there? On 12. And it did, and it went down. Ha, 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 ha. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the long term of this. We have much better symbols to be trading than this. I don't have enough history to actually see anything on it. I don't know after a month what this fucking thing is going to do. It is a monthly, 3-monthly sell stop. Please write that down, Kim, if you can. But before then, so we have the sell stop to the 4-hour blue line. After that, I love this trade for him. He can pull his ass, save his ass out of this. This is a daily, weekly. What's my 3-month looking like? Ooh, it's so high. Careful with this. But I'm going to call it for him anyways. I hope I can bring this to truth for him. All right, daily, weekly buy stop. Daily, weekly buy stop. This is for Jay Dutta's friend. Take profit one, $69.02, $74.47, $79.92. That's my take profits for oh my gosh, Upstart, UPST. Does that help? I hope that helps him, Jay. Jay, please arise and tell your friend that he has to call you sir now. Sir Jay Dutta, protector of the safety tray system and knight of YouTube. You're now a moderator. You have a blue thing next to your name, Jay. Yeah, sorry it's unaffordable, Tank Dog. That's just the way it has to be right now. BMNR. 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 BNR. Bitmine Emerson Technologies. Is that what you want? BMNR. The sniper's calling buy. Stop to the 30-minute blue line. My problem is the price is $55 and 30-minute to 1 hour blue line is hundreds above the mark. BMNR. This thing? BMNR. And he's saying something about the 30-minute. Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. BMNR. Yeah, let's go down here to 10-minute. Nope, it hit that. Let's go to 15-minute. Hit that 20-minute, 30-minute. Let's see what's good. Looks like it's, yeah, it's definitely that. Hold on. 1 hour. 1 hour. It's really acting odd. Was this stock split a while ago or something? This is really acting odd. Almost like this is a stock split, like when Amazon split. Why is it looking like this? Let me see something. Yeah, see, that's really weird. My system is having a hard, first of all, it's a 3-month, 6-month sell stop. I'd be really careful on that. I'm trying to figure out why it fell like a rock. Okay. What the fuck is this? What is this? What is BM, whatever the fuck we're playing? You're welcome, Jay, and thank you for all your support over the years. Mr. Gold, what is BMNR and why is it valued at 484 trillion? No. That's 0.89. I didn't see that. And that's 484 million? What the hell is BMNR? What is this? Hold on. Give me a second. Stock. Yeah. BMNR. My thing isn't reading this correctly. The system is not reading this correctly. There's no way that's whatever stock or shit thing this is that. Can I pull it up somewhere else and see? Bitmine. Immersion Technologies. What the fuck is this? Mexican, sure. Let's look. Maybe we can see a better read on it here. What the hell? What the helly? What? Yeah, there's something. 7 minutes to market open. Happy birthday, precious. 7 minutes to market open. That's why I have an alarm at 9:23 because it's my wife's birthday. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what this is or what's going on. I cannot get a good read on this. I'm not comfortable calling this. I'd be very leery if I were you, Mr. Gold. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not, something ain't registering right on this. I would say I can't call this. Please put down a no call on BMNR, Kim. Thank you. All right. Sorry about that. I was trying to help you there.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Sorry about that. NAS. Let's see. See what we got going on. See if I can find us some free money. Nope, not there. We can't. Let's see here. Damn, we just missed a little push up. 5 second buy stop. 5 second buy stop NQ1. 5 second buy stop NQ1 to the 5 second buy stop NQ1. There's a sell here. What the fuck is that about? Don't care. There is a 15 second sell. I'm not calling it. Buy stop. And here we go. Buy stop to the 1 minute orange line NQ1. Buy stop at open or before to NAS's orange line 1 minute. Buy stop. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Follow this down. What is this, a 2 minute on SPX? Oh, yeah. 2 minute. Love the 2 minute buy stop for, you're going to hear these dings going off. Hope they're not too loud. I might have to lower them. Pressure's still sleeping. 2 minute buy stop SPX. 2 minute buy stop ES1. Love it. Not quite free money, but boy, do I love those trades. So we're going to see SPX look like it's going to fall down before open. That's awesome. These are easy money, easy fucking money. I can't even probably tag these in before they start dinging. Not going to call US 30 YM1 or 2 minute buy stops also. But the easiest money this morning, ES1 and SPX. Buy stop to the 2 minute orange line. Buy stop to the 2 minute orange line.
Demo trade only. I am not.
Thank you, Stephen Cole. I will tell Bree happy birthday for you. Thank you all on TikTok and YouTube for wishing my beautiful wife happy birthday. It is her birthday today. We've been celebrating all month. And we'll continue to celebrate all month. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Wish you'd get a few more thumbs up on my beautiful wife's birthday on YouTube. I'd appreciate that. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I just made my call outs. This is going to be easy money at open. Buy stop 1 minute NAS NQ. Buy stop SPX and ES1 2 minute buy stop. Absolutely, we're going to be hearing some ding, ding, ding-a-ling, ding, ding, ding-along dings. These are your take profits as you see me hit this up. I do believe you'll see ES1 SPX pop right after NAS. There you go. NAS has hit its take profit, and NQ1 has hit its take profit, and US 30 and YM1 is. You have plenty of time on SPX, ES1. Free money giveaway. Buy stop to the orange line. SPX and ES1. 2 minute buy stop. Ding dong ding along. Ding 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 along. Ding. We're going to ding 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 along. Ding 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 along. Ding. We have 3 minutes to market open. Please do not trade market open. It goes up. It goes down. You're going to lose your mind and lose your money. Don't do it. This is officially now a 2 minute buy stop on SPX and ES1 to its orange line. To its orange line. NAS already hit it. NQ1 already hit it. Boom, baby. There's NQ1 again. Oh, there is your free money giveaway. Da 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 da. Happy birthday, says Tracy Ann Davis. What's up, Tracy Ann Davis? Good morning. Good morning, Jesus Blanco. Follow SPX down. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Keep following little SPX. Keep on going down, little baby. US 30, YM1, NAS, and NQ have already hit it. We're looking strictly now for SPX to go to its orange line. Just be patient. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. NQ1. Follow it down. Buy stop to the 2-minute blue line. NAS, follow it down. Buy stop to the orange. Did I say blue line? Orange line. That's your take profit right there. Follow it down. Follow it down. I'm not going to call US 30. I'm not calling YM1. Not this morning. Market open in less than 2 minutes. Please don't trade market open. Demonstrate only.
Trade only.
Lock in your profits.
Not a financial advisor.
I am not the financial advisor. Sorry, I had to leave back now. What's up, Mr. Gold? No worries. 1 minute to market open. Follow these trades down. I would suspect this is a really good pullback on SPX right here. Gorgeous. Buy stop. SPX. This, of course, will be your entry. Be patient. This is your entry. Take profit right there. This is your entry. Buy stop. NAS. Buy stop. NQ1. Buy stop SPX. Buy stop ES1. 2-minute buys. Be patient. When market opens, demo trade only. Lock in your profits. I'm not a financial advisor. If it doesn't pop now, it'll pop by 10:30 this morning. I don't have time to stay on for that. No way in hell. And I doubt seriously I'll be back on later today. I might send out some emails for you guys. So if you have signed up for the email service, please do. Market open. There we go. Sit back and relax. In the money on US 30. You have time for NAS. You have time for NQ1, SPX. In the money on YM1. You have time for these. You have time for these. And NAS will be next. NAS and NQ1, buy stop to the orange line. Buy stop and NAS and NQ. US 30 has done amazingly well. Watch these go down. ES1, perfect. Let them come down. Let them come down further. The further they go down, the more money we make. I think you're going to see SPX and ES1 come up first. Well, after US 30. Plenty of time to get into ES1. SPX. There you go. Plenty of time to get into NQ1 and NAS. Be patient. Look at US 30 rocketing upward. Easy money there. I'm not calling those. Just be patient with ES1 and SPX. ES1 and SPX hit their orange line. ES1 and SPX hit their orange line. You have time for NQ1 and NAS. Free money giveaway. You have time for NAS and NQ1. Perfect. Look at this. It perfectly drawn out. Told you yet again. There it is. It went directly to its orange line as I called out. There it is. Touchdown ES1. Touchdown SPX. You still have time for NAS and NQ. Touchdown for US 30. Touchdown for YM1. You still have time. Listen to me and listen to me well. You still have time for NQ1 and NAS. Wow, what a nice morning. That was perfection. If you want to be able to trade like this or better than me, because I do have members that are better than me, feel free. Go over to thesafetytrade.com, buy the system for $575, period. That's what you do. If you don't want to do that, then at least get the demo monthly signal service, not cell service. I would do that because the signals don't miss. There it is. Just be patient. It'll flip around. In the money, and I called out directly ES1 first, SPX first. Look at it go up. There it is. You still have time for NQ1 and NAS for it to flip around. It will. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Thank you, Matt Parker. Thank you for wishing Bria a happy birthday. Here it comes, peeps. Here it comes. Nice. In the money. Huge money on SPX and ES1. Gorgeous money. I got to go, though. I can't stay. Wow, that is fun. All right. Just remember, I'm telling you now, look. Demo trade. Da 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 da. I hope I'm clear on this signal. Oh, you call buy, you call sell, you call buy. I'm fucking trading 1 minute, 1 second, 5-second trades, telling you where they're going to go before I draw it out before they're going there. And people are still going to somehow lose money on this fucking trade. Safe trade is greatness. Yes, it is, LT. Da 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 da. Look at it go up. Touchdown. Touchdown to the orange line. Oh my God. Please, for the love of God, someone give me thanks. Give thanks to God, everyone out there. Blessed by Jade. 20 people on TikTok, speak up. 60 people on YouTube, speak up. 30 people on Facebook Live, speak up. I called the trade to the orange line and it went to the fucking orange line. I told you before it happened. I told you where it was going to go. I drew it out, put my little blue things there. You see that go up there and touch it right there and right there? There it is. There's your touchdowns. Take your money and run, folks. You're welcome. Thank God. It's going to do it again, by the way, but we're good. All right, TikTokers, got to run. God bless. You still have time to do your NAS and NQ trade. Remember, I told you. Buy the system. God bless. Talk to y'all later. That was fun. What a great morning. YouTubers, anything before I go? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. What fun. What fun. Wow. What a system. And you still have time for NAS and NQ1 to do it again. You still have time. Thanks, Kev. Perfect call. And you're welcome, Grant. Yep. Ken, Kirk. Amazing. Yep. And you still have time, by the way. I'm going to keep repeating that. You still have time for NAS and NQ. All right. Got to go, guys. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Well, that was a fun, easy morning. Happy birthday to Precious. See? Great little morning one. Cody Scheffler says you're amazing. Thank you, Cody. And you still have time on NAS and NQ. I keep telling you that. All right, guys. Got to run. Got to go. Got to go. All right. Da-da-da-da-da. And this thing.